You don't want that thing to get a hold of you. Chances this is gonna work? Not very high. A little bit of a problem. This is the cover to my floor drain here, and wouldn't you know it, it isn't really forklift friendly. This is plastic, and though I tried to miss it every single time I operated the forklift in the shop, just caught the corner one too many times, and you know, that's no good. Here's the massive opening. As you can see, doesn't even sit in there without being a trip hazard, because that's sticking way out. No good. So we're gonna try to make one. This magic little thing here drawn up in the computer world. We got that over to our magic driver thing, and we got a sheet of 3/16 over there. So we're gonna try to fire this thing up, cut that shape out of that. Oh yeah. All right, what do you guys think? Think it's gonna fit? Hope so. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Fits perfect. Now all we have to do is get this piece on the inside so it actually works as basically a trap. And I got this drawn up to burn this out so you can roll it, but we don't have a roller here in the shop, so we're gonna try to do something a little hokey. So we got what's best described here as one of those Russian log splitters. Whoa, she's in high gear. You don't want that thing to get a hold of you. Chances this is gonna work? Not very high. That's what we expected to happen. I think we put us a washer on there and we just might have her. Little raised spot on there. We're gonna hit that with the flap disc real quick like. Good enough for what it's doing. You know, I was gonna silicone that, but no real need. It's just a mechanical connection to keep mechanical stuff from going around, so water can get in there. That ain't no big deal. Moment of truth. Let's see what this thing's gonna do. Basically, this raised plastic part dips down in here to make a trap. It's gonna fit. Ah, yeah. Now hopefully we can drive over this with the forklift without busting the heck out of everything. Probably still try to drive on the sides, but if we do catch the middle, we're not gonna blow it up and we're not gonna trip there anymore. Oh yeah.